mostly I would. Hi guys, I got back home half an hour ago-ish. Oh my god, my room looks so messy, kindly ignore that. But anyways, today was the first day of finals, and so I had my English final and my bio final. So English final I didn't actually have to do anything because I'm already done with everything. And then for bio I had a test. I was actually low-key a little worried for it. I was scared I was gonna get not that good of a grade. But after putting my grade into a grade calculator, I think I should be fine unless I completely bombed the final, which I don't think that I did. So wish me luck. I've low-key been kind of sick, or it's allergies, I'm not really sure, but I have like a bit of a runny nose and a tiny bit of a sore throat. It's not too bad. And it's really annoying because I've actually gotten sick during winter finals term as well. And so it's literally spring finals and I'm sick again. So hopefully that doesn't become like a pattern or whatever. I honestly don't have much to do this finals week. Finals week is usually like really busy for people, but I feel like that's not true for me. I really don't have a lot to prepare for now that bio is over, because bio was the main thing that I was worried about. So I just woke up from a nap, and that's why my hair looks horrible and I look horrible. I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm probably gonna start doing some baking actually, because I don't have anything else to do. guys, it is now officially the first day of spring break. My room is actually really a mess right now, and it's so much of a mess that I'm not even going to show it on the camera. I definitely need to clean it up, so that's what I'm gonna do next. And after I clean my room, I'm probably gonna start brainstorming a bit more details on like what I want to do with my summer, a little brain dump. Hello guys, I thought I would provide a brief recap of what I wrote about in my 2022-23 school year reflection. I would boil most of what I talked about down to two main points. One is about your systems and another is about joining clubs. So to talk about systems first, I think my transition to high school, I wouldn't say it was rough, but I definitely could feel the difference and like the pressure and like the intensity of the workload and the weight of the workload and like, you know, the complexity of the material, the subject material that we were learning. And so my freshman year at high school is probably really the first time I've ever experienced burnout. When I was feeling burnt out, when I was feeling super tired, I think I really relied on my systems. And like there's like this quote somewhere on productivity YouTube is that like, oh, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall down to the level of your systems or something like that. And I find that that really rings true for me. When I was feeling tired and unmotivated, the things that I would end up doing were the bare minimum. But because the bare minimum and of my systems was already at a pretty high level, it allowed me to like continue to excel in school, which was really important for me, obviously. And so I think creating systems of like keeping organized and like making it like an expectation almost to yourself. When you set up these kinds of systems and expectations for yourself and norms for yourself, it really makes it almost less of like something that you have to do like really consciously and you have to like strive to do it, but more so of a habit. The other main thing that I learned was about participating in clubs. And this isn't just about clubs, but it's more about outreach almost and your comfort zone. This year I actually didn't participate in that many clubs. I did participate in a few, but I only participated in like one, like a lot. And so I found that through this club that I participated in a lot, I've like had a lot of great experiences. And I believe that by looking around me and seeing what all these other clubs are doing, that this is kind of an experience that I can find in other clubs. So I really hope that I next year will be able to participate in more clubs. This one arrived yesterday. It's beautiful. Okay, time to unbox. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cute. Why are the lines so big though? It's so unnecessary. This artwork, look at that. Whoa. These are the cover arts from each of the books. This is the first. I think this is the fifth. This is the fourth. This one's the first. And then we have this is the third. And this one's the second. So